How to delete saved passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. If you want to delete any password from here, then hold that app and swipe left. Then, tap on the delete icon beside it. Tap on Delete Passkey again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this saved password. This passkey will be moved to Recently Deleted. You can repeat this to delete the other saved passwords from here as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete saved passwords on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.